The heavy iron gates of the Alexander Magistrate Court in Johannesburg usually armed with the chaotic energy of South Africa's justice system. But on March 5, 2026, they stood as a silent testament to a deeper, more systemic failure. Inside, the son of the state Zimbabwe founding father, Bellarmine Chatunga Mugabe, was supposed to learn his fate regarding a bail application. Instead, he and the public were met with a darkness that is both literal and metaphorical. The recent postponement of Bellarmine Mugabe's bail application is caused widespread concern in Zimbabwe, not because of the legal arguments, but because of the mysterious power failure that brought the proceedings to a grinding halt. Sanapenda mashikobdani kupangana vachinzi Chatunga Mugabe court drama. Why did the lights really go out during bail application? Don't go subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina mnamubdani kwa mchinzi. While official reports claim a simple court power outage and a lack of fuel for the standby generator, a deeper investigation suggests much more complex narrative. Why would a high-profile case involving the son of the late Robert Mugabe be stalled by something as basic as a lack of diesel? For many Zimbabweans watching from across the Limpopo, this smells like a calculated move to keep the young Mugabe behind bars for longer, or conversely, to delay a potentially embarrassing public testimony that could implicate other high-ranking figures. The technical failure that silenced the courtroom is a classic example of how hidden details can change the entire meaning of a news event. To the casual observer, it is a story about a broken generator. To the seasoned investigative journalist, it is a dive deep into the state of the Zimbabwean judiciary's infrastructure and its parallels in the region. We must look at the budget allocations for court maintenance and ask where the fuel money actually goes. Is it possible that the lack of fuel is a convenient excuse used by the state when they want to buy time? In Zimbabwe, Judicial Service Commission was allocated 1.3 billion Z in the 2025 budget, yet the reports of administrative failures and the resource constraint remain a recurring theme. When the lights go out in a courtroom, it is not just a bulb flickering, it is a system out. Fails when it is most convenient for those in power. By simplifying the technical failure into a broader story of institutional decay and political maneuvering, we provide a perspective that won't be found in the mainstream dailies. Doma developments arobuda pangwa ile vanhu vachianalyza mashoko ari kutaurwa pamacourt cases aiwa aBellarmine vachiti samutobvuma kuti nhau yekuti kuri kuita mablackouts ndeyechokwadi here. People they are assuming a lot. In comment section medu zvafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.